Hi friends, so in this video we solve examples on limits. In your DCT question paper, uh, two or three questions come on this concept. So here we study, you already studied that is what is the definition of a limit and something, and here I apply L'Hospital rule and solve all the examples, because you know that solving the limits by standard formulae or rationalization method or somewhat, but here this is the easiest method to get the value of the limiting function. So we know that to evaluating limit of a function we come across expressions that is called as indeterminates. So indeterminate form means if the given function should be in the form of either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, these are called as the indeterminate forms, and these forms are the fundamental indeterminate forms. Similarly, the form comes that is infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0, or 1 raised to infinity are also indeterminate forms. And these indeterminate forms, that is infinity minus infinity to 1 raised to infinity, we reduce it to 0 by 0 and then we evaluate the given value of the limit. And we know the some standard forms, that is limit of x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1, and it is equal to limit of x by sin x as x tends to 0. Similarly, limit of x tends to 0 tan x by x, or limit of x tends to 0 x by tan x equal to 1. Similarly, limit of x tends to a x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a equal to n into a raised to n minus 1. And one more formula is limit of x tends to 0 e raised to x minus 1 by x equal to 1. And here limit of n tends to infinity 1 plus n raised to 1 by n, that is equal to limit of n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n raised to n equal to e. These are the some standard results we have to solve, we have to use by solving the examples. So now what is L'Hospital rule? You have not studied this one, so here we first define that is L'Hospital rule. If suppose a given limiting function, that is limit of x tends to fx by g of x, in that whenever substitute x equal to a, if f of a and g of a both are 0, then the given limiting form it should be indeterminate form. Then we get a value that is f dash of x by g dash of x, that is differentiating numerator and denominator separately, where g dash of x not equal to 0 is known as L'Hospital rule. That is, if limit of x fx by g of x is in 0 by 0 form, then by L'Hospital rule we have to differentiate this numerator and denominator separately and then put x equal to a. So we get a finite value, and that is nothing but the limiting value. So example, here let us we solve one example. The value of limit of x tends to minus 2 x minus x plus 2 by x raised to 5 plus 32 is given is here 1 by 80, second one is 80, third one is minus 1 by 80, and fourth one is minus 80. Now here whenever we put x equal to minus 2, if we substitute here minus 2 plus 2 is 0 and minus 2 raised to 5 is minus 32 plus 30 0, means which is of the form 0 by 0. So here we apply L'Hospital rule. So L'Hospital rule is differentiating the numerator and denominator separately. So therefore let us consider L is equal to, L means this is finite value. So let us consider L is equal to, L means finite, that is a limiting value. Let us consider L equal to finite value, L equal to limit of x tends to minus 2 x plus 2 by x raised to 5 plus 32, which is of the form 0 by 0, because as x tends to minus 2 means you substitute x equal to minus 2 here, it becomes 0 by 0. So therefore by L'Hospital rule is differentiating numerator and denominator separately. So derivative of numerator is 1, because derivative of x is 1, with respect to x we differentiate here, and derivative of denominator x raised to 5 is 5, x raised to 4, constant is 0. Now we substitute, put x equal to minus 2 here, that is 1 by 5 into bracket minus 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 1 by 5 into 16 equal to 16, 5 are 80, that is equal to 1 by 80. So therefore option 1 is a right answer. This is the right answer. So all the examples, if you apply this formula, we get the solutions very easily. The value of limit of x tends to 0, 2x minus tan 3x by sin 2x plus 3x square is, this question is asked in 2015. The solution is here, options are given minus 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So how to solve this one? Let us consider, that is L equal to limit of x tends to 0, 2x minus tan 3x by sin 2x plus 3x square. As x tends to 0 means if you substitute x equal to 0 here, 2 into 0 0, minus tan 0 is 0, 0 numerator comes 0, denominator sin 0 is 0, and x is 0 means the given limit function is of the form 0 by 0 form. So therefore by L'Hospital rule, limit of x tends to 0, denominator derivative numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of 2x is 2 minus the derivative of tan 3x is 3 tan square 3x, 3 tan square 3x upon derivative of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x, and derivative of x square is, that is 3x square, 6x comes. Now put x equal to 0, that is applying the x, as x tending towards 0 means x equal to 0, substitute, that is 2 minus 3 into secant square, 3 into 0 is 0 upon 2 into cos 0 plus 0, that is secant square 0 is value is 1, cos 0 is also 1. So 2 minus 3 upon 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So the right option is, that is fourth option is the right option. Hence this solution. Similarly, the next example, the value of limit of x tending towards 3, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 upon 2x minus 6 is, option 1 is 3, 2 is 2 by 5, 3 is 5 by 2, and fourth one is 5. So here first we write given function, it is let L equal to limit of x tending towards 3, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 upon 2x minus 6. So as x tending towards 3 means if you substitute x equal to 3, the value should be, the function should be of the form 0 by 0. Numerator also comes 0 and denominator also comes 0. So therefore by L'Hospital rule means we apply here L'Hospital rule, that is differentiating numerator denominator separately. Therefore L equal to limit of x tending towards 3, 4x minus 7 by 2, because derivative of x square is 2 into x square is 4x, derivative of minus 7x is minus 7, derivative of constant is 0, upon denominator is 2 into x, that is 2, constant is 0. Now put x equal to 3 here, so therefore 4 into 3 minus 7 by 2, that is 12 minus 7 by 2 is 5 by 2. So option third is the right answer. Similarly, the next example, the value of limit of x tending towards 0, root of 1 minus cos x by x is, the first option is 1 by root 2, second option is root 2, third one is 1 by 2, and fourth one is 1. So here as x tending towards 3, this is again 0 by 0 form comes. First we have to check whether it is 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity, means given function is indefinite form or not, we have to check. So therefore, by differentiating numerator denominator separately, we have to use here some standard formula, that is let L equal limit of x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x is equal to root of 2 sin square x by 2, because we know that cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x minus 1, which is the formula. So therefore the 1 minus cos x comes 2 sin square x by 2. Therefore square and root get cancelled. So limit of x tends to 0, root 2 upon sin x by 2. So here denominator, here numerator is sin variable is x by 2. So denominator only x. So we have to multiply numerator denominator by 2. That is 2 into x by 2 to get cancelled, remain previous term. So this is root 2 by 2, constant take it outside, limit of x tends to 0, sin x by 2 upon x by 2. As x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1, we know that. So as x tends to 1 by x by 2 also tends to 0, we get sin x by 2 upon x by 2. This value is 1, because by standard formula we know that limit of x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. So root 2 by 2, that is 1 by root 2 into 1 equal to 1 by root 2. So first option is the right option. Similar the next example, limit of theta tends to pi by 2, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to, first one is 0, second option is 1, third option is pi by 2, fourth option is pi, which is question asked in 2017. So solution, let L equal to limit of theta tends to pi by 2, sec theta minus tan theta. So whenever it tends to theta tends to pi by 2, this is infinity minus infinity term comes. So therefore, because cos theta is 1 by cos pi by 2 is 0, means sec pi by 2 comes 1 by 0, that is infinity, minus tan pi by 2 is infinity value. So this is infinity by infinity form, means it is the indeterminate forms. So whenever infinity by infinity, we convert it in terms of 0 by 0 form first. Therefore limit of theta tends to pi by 2, 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to limit of theta tends to pi by 2, 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, which is 0 by 0 form. So therefore apply L'Hospital rule. So that is equal to limit of theta tends to pi by 2, that differentiate numerator denominator separately, that is derivative of sin theta is minus cos theta, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, minus minus get cancelled. As theta tends to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 value is 1, numerator cos pi by 2 is 0, means the value should be 0. The first option is the right option. Similarly the next example, limit of x tending towards 4, x minus 4 by 3 minus root 13 minus x is equal to, that is option is here 3, 9, 6 and 0. So given function is, that is as x tending towards 4, means we put substitute x equal to 4, which is 0 by 0 form. So therefore let us consider L equal to given function. So difference which is 0 by 0 form means differentiating numerator denominator. So that is equal to differentiating numerator denominator separately, we get that is limit of x tends to 4, derivative of numerator is 1 comes, derivative of constant here 0. So derivative of root of 13 minus x is minus 1 upon 2 root 13 minus x into derivative of 13 minus x, that is minus 1. So that is equal to limit of x tending towards 4, denominator comes in numerator, minus 1 minus comes plus, that is 2 root 13 minus x. Put x is equal to 4 here, that is equal to 2 into root of 13 minus 4, that is root 9, 2 into root 9 is 3. So option is 2 into 3 equal to 6. So therefore third option is the right answer. So the next example, the value of limit of x tending towards infinity, x into bracket root of x square plus 1 minus x is 1, 2, 1 by 2, 0, which is asked in 2018 question paper. So whenever x tending towards infinity comes, we have to rationalize the given function, because we can solve this is by numerator and that is infinity by infinity for term comes indeterminate forms, this is also given, but we have to rationalize. Here we rationalize the term root of x square plus 1 minus x, that is limit of x tends to infinity, x into bracket root of x square plus 1 minus x, multiply numerator and denominator by root of x square plus 1 plus x. So therefore we have, that is limit of L equal to limit of x tends to infinity, x root of x a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square term, that is x square plus 1 minus x square, root get cancelled, and denominator is root of x square plus 1 plus x. that is equal to limit of x tends to infinity x upon root of x square plus 1 plus x. So now denominator we take x is a common term, take it outside, limit of x tends to infinity x upon x into root of, if you root of x square means x come outside 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1. Now as x tends to infinity, now put x equal to infinity here, 1 by infinity comes value 0, numerator x get cancelled, 1 upon root of 1 plus 1 by infinity is 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus root 1 is 1 plus that is 1 plus 2. So therefore third option is the right option. Next example, the value of limit of x tending towards 3 x root x minus 3 root 3 upon sine of x minus 3 is 3 root 3 by 2, 3 root 3, 2 by 3 root 3, 1 by 3 root 3. These are the options given. So we have to solve this one. Let us consider L equal to limit of x tends to 3 x root x minus 3 root 3 upon sine of x minus 3, which is a 0 by 0 form. As x tends to 3 means put x equal to 3. So 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 numerator is 0. Sine of 3 minus 3, sine 0 is 0. So 0 by 0 form. So here x root x means x raised to 3 by 2. This power is let us go limit of x tends to 3 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 upon sine of x minus 3. So differentiating numerator denominator we get, that is limit of x tends to 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 0 upon derivative of sine of x minus 3 is cos of x minus 3. So that is equal to limit of x tends to 3 by 2 root x upon cos of x minus 3. Now put x is equal to 3 here, that is 3 root 3, 2 comes denominator, 2 into bracket, cos 3 minus 3, cos 0 is 1. So option is 3 root 3 by 2. Hence so first answer is the right answer. So the question comes on limit, we have to apply L'Hospital rule and solve the examples. So this is the better and easiest way. Okay, so I stop here. Thank you one and all.